Hey everyone, welcome to the answer video for the word association tutorial puzzle. I'm going to guide you to discover the answers to this puzzle. As we go through the puzzle, I will highlight the words and pictures in colored circles, and then write the answers in this Word document. So follow along and check your answers. If you're correct, give it a circle check. If you're incorrect, put an X and fix it. All right, let's get started. The first word we're going to use is a red fruit. We're going to use a red fruit that Snow White eats. That's an apple. All right, I hope you got that one. An apple and this go together. This is where apples grow. Monkeys can climb this, and birds live in this. Apple and tree. Hope you got it. Apple, tree. And follow along and check your spelling. Apple and tree. Okay, let's go ahead and turn off that auto capitalization and go to number 2. Okay, number 2. Let's try a different color. Gold. Okay, this is my favorite animal. This animal has 4 legs, 2 ears, and a tail that loves to wag. It's a dog, of course. Man's best friend and Bryan teacher's best friend. Okay, dog and this word go together. This is an animal that likes to drink milk, likes to chase mice, and always says meow. It's a cat. Cat and dog, they go together. They are a perfect match. Follow along, C-A-T and D-O-G. Next, let's use the color green. Okay, this is an animal. He is the king animal. Simba, Mufasa, and Scar. Oh, of course, if you know that movie, you know the lion. Okay, now you may think it's the Lion King, and that's a good guess. But it's incorrect. The lion is the king of the jungle. Lion and jungle. That's correct. Lion and jungle. Let's write it in here. L-I-O-N and J-U-N-G-L-E. Okay, next up. What color shall we use? Let's go with blue. Okay. This is a part of your body on your face. It opens and closes and helps you to see. Here and here. It's an eye. Here's one eye. And some people cannot see well. They wear these on their face. Eye and glasses. That's a match. Okay, and let's spell it out. E-Y-E and G-L-A-S-S-E-S. Eyeglasses. All right, next up. What color shall we use? Purple. Okay, this is a type of weather. This weather is important for helping flowers grow. This weather is rain. Okay, rain goes with this helpful piece of clothing. It's footwear that you can take hiking in the mountains. You wear on a snowstorm or during a rainy day. Boots. Rain and boots. I hope you got it. Okay, let's spell that out. R-A-I-N and B-O-O-T-S, rain boots. Number 6. Now we go down to pink, pink color. Okay, this is a sport. This is a game that Ronaldo and Messi are very good at. Many kids can play this game on FIFA Online. Soccer. S-O-C-C-E-R. Soccer. Now maybe you think soccer and game. That's a good guess, but not correct. Soccer and play. Another good guess, but also incorrect. The third time is a charm. Soccer and net. Soccer net. Let's spell it in our Word doc. S-O-C-C-E-R. Soccer and net. Number 7. Change our color to orange. I like orange. Okay, this is a place where a prince, a princess, and a queen live. A home, yes, they do live in a house, but it's a royal house. This house has a door that opens up and down. It's a castle. Yeah, the queen lives in the castle. She lives with her husband. The queen's husband is the king. King and queen. The king lives in the castle. Okay, number 8. Our next word association, we'll need a new color. Let's use lime green. Okay, green means this. 3, 2, 1, go. Green means go. Okay, on the traffic signal, green means go, yellow means slow, and red means this. Red means stop. Red is stop, green is go. G-O and S-T-O-P. Okay, number 9, the 9th word association. Let's use, very sky blue, baby blue. Okay, this is a yellow fruit that grows in a tree. Banana, yes. A banana grows on a tree. And next, this is an animal who swings from a tree. He likes to scratch himself and say, no, not me. A monkey. A monkey loves bananas. Monkey and banana. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey, and B-A-N-A-N-A. N-A? No, too many. Monkey and banana. Okay, number 10. The 10th word association looks like we'll use black. Okay, this animal is black and white. This animal makes milk for us to drink. And this animal says, moo. It's a cow, of course. Cow says moo. Now you could think cow and pig. Good guess, but incorrect. Cow and ice cream. Right, they milk milk, but incorrect. This is Buzz Lightyear's best friend in the Toy Story movie. Woody is a cow boy. Cowboy Woody. Cow and boy. That's a match. Cow and boy. C-O-W and B-O-Y. Cowboy. Cowboy Woody. Okay. Next is number 11. Number 11. Let's go with a new color. Black and maroon. Okay, this woman is the most important in your family. She is the person who loves you most in the world. Your mom. Yeah, mother's love, M-O-M. Mom loves this person first. Before she loved you, she loved this person. Mom and dad. Dad and mom, mom and dad. Mommy and daddy, mother and father. They are a perfect match. Mom and dad. Number 12. Let's move down under the border. Let's think, land down under. This animal can jump very far. This animal has a long tail and short arms. A rabbit? No, but it's very close. It starts with the letter K, and we'll do this in brown. He is a kangaroo. And a kangaroo has a friend in Australia, but this friend cannot jump well. This friend is very lazy. He lives in a tree, he eats lots of leaves, and sleeps all day long. Who is it? The koala. Yes, a koala and a kangaroo go together. Kangaroo, kangaroo, and C-O-A-L-A, koala. Okay, number 13. What colors do we have left? Oh, dark green, forest green, hunter green. Okay, let's do something delicious. This is a cold and sweet treat that you can eat in the summer. You can eat it in a cup, you can eat it in a cake, you can eat it as a bar, you can eat it as a sundae, on Sunday. It's an ice cream. Yeah, this looks like Ben & Jerry's ice cream. A pint with a spoon. That's one way to eat ice cream. Another way is with your hand. Just scoop with your hand? No, you're gonna hold this in your hand. An ice cream cone. All right, ice cream cone. That's my favorite way to eat ice cream. 2 scoops of strawberry ice cream from Baskin Robbins. Ice cream and cone. Okay, next 14. Running out of colors. Blue, this is my favorite blue. All right, let's go. This is a place where families live together. It has a bedroom, a bathroom, a living room, a kitchen, maybe an attic, a basement, and a garage. Lots of rooms in this place. A house. Families live in a home. A house makes a home. Okay, house. House and this. House and this. These are chores that children have to do. They do them after school and on the weekends. Vacuuming, washing the dishes, doing the laundry, dusting, sweeping, mopping. This is work you do at your house. Housework. I hate this kind of work. Okay, house and work. Not to be confused with homework, which is studying you do at home. Housework is the cleaning. Okay, number 15. This is a character in the movie Finding Nemo. Nemo is one, Marlin is one, Dory is one. There can be tangs or Oscars or marlins, sharks, all different kinds of fish. Let's see. Let's go to the white. Does white make a nice bubble? Let's see. Can we do it with the white? Oh, okay, I like that. Fish. When you go fishing, you use a fishing pole. The pole has a line and this at the end. Like in the Peter Pan story, Captain Hook. Yeah, Captain and Hook. Let's give him a white line. A little hard to see. Let's go back to red. Hook and fish. Okay. fish, and H-O-O-K. Next up, only a few left. Okay, this is a pink animal. One of my favorites, not because it's cute, but because it tastes good. This animal makes bacon, ham, sausage, and pork chops. Mwah. Delicious. Who is it? It's the pink pig. So let's give him a pink circle. Pig. Now this is a place where many animals live. Old MacDonald had one of these. Old MacDonald had a farm. Pigs live on farms. Pig and farm. Like the famous book, Animal Farm. Pig and farm. Two more left. Number 17. I'm going to use my favorite color, this dark blue again. Okay, these are things you can find in a library. They have lots of good stories in them. And at bedtime, your mom might bring one to your room. Books. Yeah, of course. Bedtime stories come in books. Okay, now when your mom lays down next to you or sits down in a chair next to you, she opens the book and looks at the words. When she looks at the words and makes a story, she does this. She reads the book. We have books and read. Read and books. B-O-O-K-S. Finally, our last one and my favorite. Okay, first, these are things like Uno and Haligali and Nintendo, PlayStation, Tag, Hide and Go Seek. These are all different types of games. A game. We have a game here. And this is what you do with a musical instrument. This is what you do with your friends. This is what you do with your smartphone or a video game or a board game. This is something you do to have fun. The final word is play. Play and game. P-L-A-Y and G-A-M-E. Play and game. Well, that's it. 36 words, 18 matches. I hope you had a perfect score. See you again next time. Bye-bye.